Sitting there rocking.
Say, rock-a-bye, baby.
On the treetop.
Can you get in your rocking chair? Yeah? You get in it.
She's a big girl.
Good girl. Can you rock-a-bye, baby? Rock. Say, rock-a-bye, baby, in the treetop. When the wind blows the cradle.
Do patty cake.
Baker's man,
Bake me a cake as fast as you can.
Oh, sit down. Sit down before you fall. Chad, make her sit down.
Selena.
Sit down.
Selena Kate, sit down.
Thank you.
That's a good girl. No. You gonna fall. You fall backwards, see? You fall backwards.
She doesn't care. She's a daredevil. Whoa.
Patty cake.
Baker's man, bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it. Sit down. You fall.
Get it?
Can you rock-a-bye, baby? Huh? Sit down.
No. No, ma'am. You can't stand. If I let go, you're gonna fall backwards. Do it.
You don't want to fall.
You do it. It won't hurt. You gonna hurt. Yeah.
She's kind of strong-willed.
Yeah, sit like a big girl.
Rock-a-bye, baby. No, what is she doing? You big girl? Sit down.
Why does she think she can stand?
I don't know. Sit down.
Sit down. Sling Kate.
This kid's a daredevil. We're gonna have to put the rocking chair in another room.
It's scary, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You need to sit down on your bottom.
It's scary.
Sit down on your bottom. Crazy hair.
Patty cake. Baker's man. Bake me a cake
Fast as you can.